Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create Gwen from Total Drama Island on Draw to Impress, removing everything here. So for the hair I used this bulb in black and this color, this one 0F5AFA, and then I went to bangs here and I selected this one, colored it black, and then that same blue green thing in black as well. Then I'm just going to get this choker, and I'm also going to get this top here in the third toggle. Select this color 455A67 in matte, and then I am going to use this top here in green. Oh no, in black. I'm like forgetting. And then I'm going to get this arm sleeve and I'm going to color that green. I think I'm going to use the other skirt, this one. I think I might change the color though into like a gray instead of like a really dark black, maybe like this instead. And then I am going to get these. I'm just going to color it a little bit darker like this. And then I am going to get the boots from Codes, which is this one. And I'm just going to color it all black. And that is it. Super simple outfit. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.